You know, once again, I'm going to be bragging about those Callaways because if you're buying or selling your home, you know they're the ones that you need to contact. But at this time, we have back with us Joe Coleman, but it's Real Estate Wednesdays. Explain what's going on.
Yep, one of those Callaway's true passions is organizing Real Estate Wednesdays, where every year thousands of home ownership industry professionals ring the bells to provide goods and services for those who are less fortunate in their communities. And this year it's actually especially important because of COVID-19. We actually have a 50% reduction in kettle locations we can ring at, while the Army's actually already seen a 150% increase in required services and needs from the community. So more people in need and less availability to ring for them. But this Wednesday, the 23rd, is our last Wednesday ringing this year. We're going to be ringing at Fry's at 64th and Greenway, but there's real estate professionals all over the valley ringing, and we'd love to see our clients and friends come out and donate for the Army. And if you can't make it out, you can just click the link below and donate online to our online kettle to make a generous donation for your community. And it's really just a wonderful cause.
It really is. And I know my mom and I have been out there a lot to go out and do this, and we really enjoy doing it, and it is such a good cause. So people definitely need to try to do that, or like you said, if they can't make it out to donate it, they can just go to that link and
to the
donate
online
there.
kettle, and it's all location specific, so everything you donate stays in your community to help those in your community who need it through this holiday season.
Well, you guys at those Callaways do wonderful things, so I appreciate that you're doing this. So thanks for joining us again.
Thank you. We always appreciate it.